Hello students, so today we'll discuss exercise 3.8. So in this exercise it is asked that on a two-lane road, car A is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. Two cars B and C approach car A in opposite directions with a speed of 54 km per hour each. At a certain instant, when the distance AB is equal to AC, both being 1 kilometer, B decides to overtake A before C does. So, what minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid an accident? So, the situation here is like car A is moving with a speed of 36 kilometer per hour. Suppose it is VA, and car B and C. So this is car C, this is B, car B and C both moving in opposite directions. This is the speed of V, this is the speed of C. Now, when these distances are 1 kilometer each, both are when it is 1 kilometer each. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, 1000 meter. This AB and AC both are equal. Then B decides to overtake A now before C does. So since A and B are now moving in opposite directions, so C will take less time. But so B has to accelerate now so that it overtakes A before C. But usually if B does not accelerate, then C will overtake A before B does. But now here B will accelerate so that overtakes A before C. So here the speeds, individual speeds are, speed of A is how much? Speed of A is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. 36 kilometer per hour. So this is equal to 36 into 1000 divided by 3600 meter per second is equal to 10 meter per second. And speed of B is equal to speed of C is equal to 54 kilometer per hour is equal to 54 into 1000 divided by 3600 equal to 1.5. Sorry, it is 15. It is 15 meter per second. Now let us see how much time C will take to reach A or overtake A. So to know the time, the distance we know. And now what is required? Relative velocity. So what is the relative velocity of C with respect to A? This is only required. So here the relative velocity of C with respect to A is equal to VC. Now both are opposite to each other, so it will be getting added up plus VA. So it will be equal to 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 meter per second. Now what is the relative velocity of B with respect to A is equal to VB minus VA, because both are going in the same direction. So 15 minus 10 is equal to 5 meter per second. So the relative velocity of C is much higher than B. It's 25 and it's 5. So how much time C will take? The time is equal to distance by velocity. Distance is equal to 1000. Velocity is equal to what? Velocity of C is equal to 25. So it is equal to 40 seconds. So C will take 40 seconds to reach or to overtake A. So but now B wants to overtake before 40 seconds. So B has to be, already B is having only 5 meter per second. So now B has to increase his speed so that it reaches or it overtakes A before 40 seconds. So here in this case time is equal to 40 second, and initial velocity of already having 5 na, the initial relative velocity of b is already 5. Now distance s is equal to 1000 meter. So what is the acceleration is equal to how much? So acceleration we need to know. So here acceleration will be equal to s, using this formula, s equal to ut plus half at square 1000 is equal to u is equal to 5, t is equal to 40 plus half of a we do not know, t is equal to 40 square, or 1000 is equal to 200 plus a into 800. So 800 is equal to a into 800, or a is equal to 1 meter per second square. So this is our required answer.